today, in this question, we are asked to solve for the empirical formula of the compound. So we assume we have 100 grams of the compound. Therefore, we will have 25.3 grams of magnesium and 74.7 grams of chlorine. Next, we solve for moles of each element. So mole of magnesium is equals to the mass, which is 25.3 grams divided by 24.305 grams per mole. This is equals to 1.04 mole. Next, we have mole of Cl is equals to 74.7 grams divided by